Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to St. Michael's e-learning classes. My name is Francis sir, and today, my dear children, we will be solving the question answers, fill in the blanks, etc. of chapter number 9 for social science of standard 4. And the name of chapter number 9 is our water resources, which we have studied long time back. So today we will solve the question answers, fill in the blanks of this particular chapter. Let's begin. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Dash water is obtained from seas and dash from rivers. We have two fill in the blanks for question number 1. So first is surface water is obtained from seas and groundwater is from rivers. So surface water is obtained from seas and groundwater obtained from rivers. Question number 1. Question number 2. Dash is a source of surface water and dash is a source of groundwater. We have two dash. So the first dash is rivers is a source of surface water and wells is a source of groundwater. Now we see question number 3. A dam that serves more than one purpose is called a dam. So the answer is multi-purpose project. Now we see question number 4. Dash and dash are two factors that pollute water bodies. We have two dash once again. So the answer to question number 4 is bathing and washing are two factors that pollute water bodies. Now we see question number 5. Dash is the water found under the surface of the earth. So the answer for question number 5 is groundwater. Is the water found under the surface of the earth. Now we'll see question number B. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Channels constructed to supply water from rivers to the fields for irrigation purposes are called, the correct answer is canals. Question number 2. The Hirakud Dam is built on the Dash River. So the correct answer is Mahanadi. Now see question number 3. Dash is the largest dam of India. So the answer is Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is the largest dam of India. Now we see question number 4. An artificial lake created by a dam is called a dash. So the answer is reservoir. Now we see question number 5. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on dash. So the correct answer is Narmada. Now you will see question number C. State T for 2 sentences and F for 4 sentences. So let's begin. Question number 1. Water constitutes 2/3 of the Earth's surface. So the answer is F. F means false. Question number 2. Fresh water constitutes only 3% of the total water on Earth. So the answer is T. True. Then we come to question number 3. States like Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan mainly depend on groundwater. So the answer is F. False. Question number 4. In India, agriculture is primarily dependent on irrigation. So the answer is T. Excuse me. True. Question number 5. Damodar Valley project facilitates irrigation in Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. So the answer is F. False. Now we will see question number D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the sources of water found in India. So the answer for this question is the sources of water found in India are wells, tube wells, tanks, canals and dams. Question number 2. What is a dam? So the answer is a dam is a wall built across a river. It controls the flow of water by the opening and closing of sluice gates. Now we will see question number 3. Name and briefly describe the sources of groundwater in India. So we will go one by one. So first we will come to wells. In villages, wells are dug to bring groundwater to the surface. Now we'll see number 2, tube wells. In case the water level is too deep, then a deeper hole is dug and water is brought to the surface using an electric pump. It is called a tube well. Now we'll see number 3, canals. Canals are built to bring water from the rivers directly to the fields. Now we will see point number 4. Point number 4 is tax. In some areas, artificial reservoirs are created to store rainwater and use it for irrigation. They are known as tax. And the fifth and the last point for question number 3 is dams. A dam is a wall built across a river. Now we will see question number 4. Why are dams referred to as a multi-purpose project? So the answer to this question is, when a dam is built to serve more than one purpose, then it is called a multi-purpose project. Now we will come to question number 5, the last question of this chapter. Why is conservation of water important? So the answer, my dear children, is water is an important resource required for survival of all living beings. So it is important to conserve water. So my dear children, in this way we have completed the question answers, fill in the blanks, etc. of chapter number 9 for social science of standard 4. Please write them in your notebook, and in our next class we will solve the question answers, fill in the blanks, etc. of chapter number 10. Thank you.